Hey there, future word wizards. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of words. Ever wondered why some words just sound exactly like what they mean? It's almost like magic, right? Well, stick around because today, I'm uncovering the hidden power of onomatopoeia. Yes, that's right, those quirky words that sound like the noises they describe. First up, what exactly is onomatopoeia? It might sound like a mouthful, but it's actually quite simple. It's a fancy term for words that imitate the sounds they describe. These words are like little echoes of the world around us. Think of words like buzz, bang, or sizzle. When you say them, they sound just like the noises they represent. Pretty cool, right? It's like having a mini sound effect built right into your speech. Okay, let's dive into some fun examples. Onomatopoeia is everywhere, and it makes our language so much more colorful and expressive. Picture this, you're reading a comic book. The hero punches the villain and you see a big POW on the page. That's onomatopoeia in action. It brings the scene to life, making you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. Or when you're frying samosa and it goes sizzle sizzle, you can almost smell it, can't you? That's the power of onomatopoeia. It engages your senses and makes the experience more vivid. Onomatopoeia isn't just for comics and cooking though. It's everywhere. In nature, the tweet of a bird or the roar of a lion. These sounds are captured perfectly by onomatopoeic words, making them easy to recognize and remember. In everyday life, the click of a pen or the woof of a dog. These words make our conversations more vivid and fun. But wait, there's more. Onomatopoeia plays a sneaky role in helping us learn languages. When we were kids, learning words like moo for a cow or quack for a duck made it easier to remember and understand their sounds. It's like a secret shortcut for your brain. These words help us connect sounds with meanings, making language learning a breeze. And here's a little tip. Writers and poets love onomatopoeia because it makes their work more engaging. It adds a layer of sound that immerses the reader. So, next time you're working on a creative project, try sprinkling in some onomatopoeia. It can make your writing pop and bring your stories to life. Onomatopoeia is when a word sounds like what it describes. It's fun, it's everywhere, and it's a powerful tool for learning and creativity. So, what's your favorite onomatopoeic word? Buzz, crash, whisper? There are so many to choose from, each with its own unique sound and feel. Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and favorite examples. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, share the video, and comment down your favorite part of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more wordy wonders.